Ready to turn your car into a money-making machine. Let's dive into the Uber Driver app, specifically tailored for Canada. First things first, tap that Go Online button to start receiving ride requests. Make sure you are in an area where Uber operates, as service areas can differ within Canada. You'll also need to ensure you have data turned on and your location services are enabled, so the app knows where you are. When a request pops up, quickly review the pickup location, estimated fare, and acceptance rate indicator. Tap Accept to claim the ride. Remember, accepting rides promptly can improve your rating and increase your chances of receiving more requests. The app's built-in navigation, powered by either Google Maps or Waze, will guide you to the passenger's pickup location. Follow the directions carefully and be mindful of traffic and road closures. Once your passenger is in the car, confirm their name before starting the trip, then hit Start Trip and let the navigation guide you to their destination. Always drive safely and adhere to speed limits and traffic laws. Remember, as an Uber driver in Canada, you're required to follow all traffic laws, have proper vehicle insurance, and may need to undergo a background check depending on your city. After dropping off your passenger, the app will calculate the fare. You can then rate your passenger and provide feedback. This helps maintain a positive Uber experience for everyone. Track your earnings in the Earnings tab here. You can see a breakdown of your fares, promotions, and any deductions. Knowing your earnings helps you manage your finances and optimize your driving strategy. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Help section. It contains valuable information about local regulations, Uber policies, and support resources. Staying informed is key to maximizing your earnings and providing a safe, reliable service. Now get out there and start earning.